What's up guys, it's Anders. Very quick video just to answer some simple questions that's quite confusing about the studio strings inside Logic. So at the top here, it gives you articulation, and you would think that when you change that articulation, if we solo this one here, for example, it would change the way the track plays, right? However, as you can hear, it still plays those sustained notes even though we switched it to staccato. The reason for this is very simple. It's actually note by note orientation inside the piano roll. So I've just got the piano roll at the bottom here. You see, if we select some notes here, select these first two, we have articulation just down here on the bottom left. And this articulation speaks directly to these types of plugins in Logic and will be the thing that changes it. So if I was to now switch it to staccato, those first two notes, and now staccato note, and you can see we've now got last played articulation as staccato. The second two in here are still going to be sustained notes, so now it will go staccato into the sustain. And that, guys, is how the articulation system works in studio strings inside Logic. Hope that was helpful for you, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.